Hello everybody, we are the T-Force, and guys, we are back. We took a few weeks off to enjoy, the last bit of summer and to get back into school. But guys, we are back because I know you missed me. And guys, so weekly videos and all that. So let's get straight into this one. Alright guys, so we have this month's University Unbox right here, and that's what we're going to be opening for this video. If you guys haven't seen it, we've done a few over here, Philippines, Taiwan, and other countries. If you guys would like to go check those out, do it. Go watch them. But in this video, we're going to be opening this one. And in this video, we are going to be trying snacks from the UK!
Fancy cola.
Inglaterra Princess.
What?
Sponsored?
Yes, Inglaterra Princess.
Yeah, we're still not sponsored.
Sponsor us.
Okay guys, so I'm picking first this time, and I got these things.
What?
Toffee Pops. Toffee-filled biscuits with chocolate-flavored coating.
Alright guys, real quick before we try this first snack, this is something we did in the last video, I'm just going to go over it again. Each of the University Young's boxes comes with these little books that give information on all the snacks inside, what they're made of, where they're from in that country, and stuff like that. However, since these videos tend to run really long, we are going to cut these out, because we don't need these. We're smart, we can figure out what the snacks are. But unless something's like really weird and we can't figure out what it is, then we'll look it up. And if you guys really want to know what these are and hear these again, just leave a comment down below and we can bring it back. But as for right now, we don't want this. So let's try this first snack.
Okay guys, so this is the first snack and what it looks like.
Wait, turn it over. Turn it over.
All sides.
Cookie?
I don't know. And that's what the package looks like.
Okay.
Alright guys, real quick before we try them, technically, these are, since they're from the UK, they're called biscuits. They're kind of weird and they want to call cookies biscuits. But,
Wait, what?
But
If
they're
cookies, if cookies are called biscuits, what are the biscuits called?
Cookies.
Okay, we naughty confirmed.
And they talk too.
Alright guys, finally it is time for us to try our British cookies. So we can
Biscuits.
try in 3 cookies, 2, 1.
Thank you.
What?
Can I open a bakery on these teacher? Good. What?
Mom, I said both
I
of
wish you were calling somebody.
It kind of tastes like peanut butter.
Alright guys, so normally we go down this store asking, but if they want
That's all
to pick the
Daffy.
first snack, I'm going to say it was first. This was the best thing out of the Philippines, the Brazil, the Taiwan, the Poland, the Spain. The best thing. Cole, what did you think about it? Thumbs up. Sean, what do you think about it?
Best snack we ever had of
Two
all.
thumbs up.
Even little tiny Japan.
Little tiny Japan.
He's so
I think
small.
it was the cookie.
What?
I think it was the cookie.
We established it.
It's good.
Alright guys, so this is Sean, your turn to pick the snack.
Wagon wheel jammies.
A taste for adventure.
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 Danny, bring it over.
Adventure. Up for an adventure.
Wait, stop.
Alright guys, so we're about to try these wagon wheels. They look kind of like moon pies from, I think they're American if you know what those are. But anyway, we're trying them in 3, 2, 1, go.
I get it. You can take a bite out of
That's
it.
weird.
Fine, I take a bite. I don't want it.
Alright guys, so I think it's kind of like a s'more with the chocolate and the little like graham cracker stuff and marshmallow. It's got like a cherry filling on the inside.
Raspberry.
So,
Ah,
Cole,
slam in the
what do you
chair,
think
huh?
about the wagon wheels? Bad? Sean, what do you think?
Too bad.
Dead.
I
Danny?
think they were good. Basically, Michael described them, but like jam, cherry, like jelly. And
Raspberry.
I was right.
I really wanted to do something earlier, but I'm afraid it would be copyrighted.
I got it. Like a
What?
There's a
telephone
song I
number.
want to sing just because of this.
Alright, go for it.
The Wagon Wheel song.
Go ahead.
Rock me, baby, like wee. Rock me anyway you feel.
That is such an insult to Darius Rucker.
I'm sorry.
Alright, guys, so Cole, it is your turn to pick a snack out of the box.
Ow.
Hey.
This way,
Couldn't
please.
you reach?
Cole
Ooh, it's
picked
purple.
I don't want to pick.
Johnny's Pickled Onion Rings.
Not Johnny.
So, look, kind of like American onion rings. Johnny?
Johnny's.
Playing an accordion. Crying out flavor. So, let's try these.
And they're pickled.
Guys, we're gonna be trying this pickled onion ring things in 3, 2, 1, go.
If you like it, put a ring on it.
Found out something that wasn't chocolate. Where'd the trash can go?
It's got a very strong. Hi guys, so we all know Cole and Sean really liked those, but
Sure.
I can like those.
compared to the last 2 things, which are really good, this was really great. It
That's
doesn't really
much.
taste of
No.
bad pickle.
I used to
Cole,
like-
what'd you think?
I
Good.
mean it was good. No,
Bad.
I mean
Sean,
it was good, but it was spicy.
Raw.
Like
Danny, what'd you think?
Like it was-
They were delicious, and they're mine now.
This is now finally my turn, and we are going to be trying Chewy Bonbons.
My man.
I think the white tea.
So it says,
Chewy bonbon,
Monster Diary
chewy
here,
bonbon.
and it says rhubarb and custard. Don't know what that means. Alright guys, so we're going to be trying these bonbons, pink and yellow circle things. Cole, alright, hold it, I'll show the camera.
I
Hold
can't
it right
smell
here.
Zoom in.
There we go, blue and yellow stuff. So we are
Um,
trying in
Did you just say blue?
pink and yellow. So we are trying in 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm trying each side so I can
Ooh, it's
taste it.
chewy.
Very true.
Strawberry.
Tough and chewy.
So, we're gonna retract any former statements I made in this video. This is the best thing we've had out of all these other boxes. Not gonna name the countries again. It's kind of like, you guys know what taffy is, where it's like takes forever to chew up, but it's got like 2 flavors. So, double thumbs up. Cole, what do you think about it? Sean?
One thumbs up. One and
It's
a
like
half.
strawberries.
I'm not done that.
Alright, so,
My turn.
yeah.
This one last.
Michael, what are you doing?
Damn it.
Ooh, dreamy, creamy, toffee.
This better be
This
real.
is
Wait,
the one I
what?
wanted.
Then unwrap and enjoy.
Wow.
Sit up, Cole. Alright guys, so this is what the tap looks like, and it was not wrong. You're supposed to whack to break pieces, then unwrap and enjoy. So we
Yeah.
whacked it, gonna unwrap it, and this is gonna be up for debate.
Yeah, you're supposed
I
to not hit yourself with it.
What did you open?
Alright guys, this looks like it's just pure taffy, but you know, we're gonna be trying in 3, 2, 1, go!
It's in your mouth already.
Go.
This is real taffy.
I think it was gonna be.
Sticky.
The other one wasn't. That was like chewy
Oh,
watered
So
down gum.
hard.
I like it.
If you guys want to keep your mouth shut.
Sticky in my teeth.
Okay.
Ow.
Alright guys, so I think thumbs up. It's taffy. Don't know what too much detail. You know, it's sticky. And Cole, what do you think? Thumbs up, Sean.
Caramel coffee.
Danny?
As far as I'm concerned, this is my favorite thing. Sean said it was sticky. It took out my tooth.
Ew.
Finally!
It has chocolate in it.
No,
Ew.
on the bottom there's chocolate.
Gross.
Alright guys, so Sean, it is your turn to pick again. Right, it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you just pick?
Read, just grab one.
Grab one.
Mature cheddar and onion. Mackey's of Scotland. Wait a minute.
What?
This is supposed to be from the England, from UK.
Scotland's in the UK.
Wow.
Let's try this little chip. What did it say it was called?
Crisp.
Crisp? No, the flavor.
Oh, mature cheddar and onion.
Okay, it's about to be really nasty. But 3, 2, 1, 4, go.
Oh, I was just a tiny one. Had no flavor on it.
Give me the rush. I want one. Give it a go.
Mouth closed, please.
Alright guys, so review, that's what we're doing. So they're not the worst thing we've tried out of all these, but definitely not my favorite. They're not as bad as those pickled onion rings though. Middle. Cole, what did you think? What did I like, Sean?
I think this is definitely the third best thing we've had out of all the boxes.
Not true, but Danny, what do you think?
His opinion.
Opinion.
Good.
Opinion's
Pickled
wrong.
onion rings are better.
His opinion's
I think
wrong.
those chips would have been cookies and ketchup.
I don't think an opinion can be wrong, buddy.
Yours can. Next! Alright guys, so Cole is really excited. It's his turn, and he saw something he wants, so he's not even gonna wait for me.
Fine, we can say.
Alright, Cole, it's time for you to pick something out of the box.
Okay.
So Cole picked Den's original family recipe.
I'm pretty sure that says
crumbly
Dean.
Choco chip shortbread mini bites.
I'm pretty sure that says Dean.
But the way we open it turns
Den. Den.
Den. something like that.
Dean.
I'm so
Also
sorry
Dean.
for the
No.
short.
We are not.
So we're gonna be trying these cookies now.
Oh, Cole. No, Cole, don't be nasty.
Okay, it's okay. It's as far as chocolate chip cookies go, it's not like amazingly great.
That is the most disgusting cookie I've ever had in my life.
That's not true.
Mama.
I've had Daddy's cookies before. You Cole, what is that?
Roasted.
Thumbs up,
Two
Sean.
double offense.
Oh, 2 double thumbs up.
2 double thumbs down.
That
stuff is nasty.
It tastes like cookies.
Alright guys, so we are missing someone here. As you can tell, it's kind of quiet, and you know, he's one of our 2 good looking guys. I'm the other, you know, now it's 2 to 1. I'm really outnumbered here. But anyway, it is my turn.
Think to me, if anything.
Taking the blue bag.
You're on a roll.
And we got
Oh,
some
no, you chose my vinegar.
Mackey's of Scotland, ridged cut, sea salt, and vinegar. Sea salt, they're potato chips with sea salt and vinegar.
Vinegar is delicious.
It's a very plain bag, so I'm not gonna get too. Alright, guys, so we're gonna be trying these chips right here. Trying them in 3, 2, 1, go.
Sean, don't be gross.
They're not too bad. I like them. Alright, guys, so they're not too bad. They are definitely much better than the other chips we had. What are they called again?
They were good.
What's the name?
Oh, they
Mature
were mature cheddar and onion.
Much better than cheddar onion, the sea salt and
Tenure?
vinegar.
What's tenure?
Thumbs up.
Tenure.
1 thumb up, not 2. Sean, what did you think?
It's vinegar. It's good.
Tastes like pickles to me.
Okay, guys, so we're going to be moving on to the next snack. Time is here. We're on the very last item of this box.
My turn.
Danny, come on.
So now, I don't care about this box no more.
Why did you not pick this?
So, Danny,
Mikey's of Scotland. Why did you make this?
other bluest box.
Haggis
bag
and-
was
Alright, show me the bag. Show me the bag.
Haggis and black pepper.
chips.
Potato chips. Woo! Mikey made it.
Anyway, we'll be trying these chips. Final item in 3, a 2, a 1,
Dos.
a 0,
Come on, guys.
Grosade.
agreed.
Ah.
So, easily out of the 3 chips we just tried, worst chips by far, thumbs down.
Definitely.
Those are great.
They're great. Alright guys, so out of all these we've done so far, whichever the last one favorite was right here, but the UK was way my favorite by much far. There's only like one or two things I gave the thumbs down to. Anyway, Sean, what was your favorite of all 6 we've tried so far?
Definitely. UK.
Danny, what's your favorite?
I think the UK, I'm not sure.
Okay,
What's up
so-
with England? Sorry. Scotland too.
And the other.
Wow.
Wales and everything else.
Northern Ireland?
Southern Ireland.
No, oh my. Oh.
So as always, we hope you enjoyed this video. I know you did, because I'm in it. Anyway, guys, as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn that that little bell icon down there so you guys know every time we upload. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram, T46. And until next time, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested, that's a little giveaway we like to do, and we're going to be doing from here on out. And so if you see a country that you might be interested in, comment down below.
Or just comment on all of them. Increase your chance of getting picked.
Yeah. So also guys, last week, 2 weeks ago, something like that, we tried to do a little video with just like of some montage clips of different stuff we were going to, but some of the editing couldn't get right, and the video kind of got messed up. However, some friends of ours would like to shout out, Mucho for fame and all that. So, that's going to be at the end. So stick around if you want to see these moochers trying to.
Those are your friends.
This is a joke.
Doesn't stop for me, mooches.